Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ishani Hajra and I am a design student at Jamia Millia Islamia, and I am making this video on what all you should know before giving the BDES exam at Jamia. And before we move forward towards everything, I would like you all to subscribe to this channel, show some love, and so that I can make more videos like this for you all. And yeah, you can subscribe. So let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, the intro to this program. So this is Bachelor of Design. This is a 4-year program under the Faculty of Architecture and Acoustics. And this program offers three specializations. This is product, interior, and I think communication designs. And this is, first of all, you have foundation year in the first year, like every other design school, and then you can choose between the three I mentioned. Yeah, we do not have fashion design in general, like we don't have fashion design. Moving okay, forward. So eligibility criteria. There is no such eligibility criteria in Jamia. Like you can Jamia's design program. You can be from humanities or science or commerce or like pure science, PCM, PCMB, whatever combination you have. You can give this exam. Segment and now. So well, like all other design schools, Jamia has entrance exam, but it is like their own entrance exam. So you don't have to give CUET. This is not through USEED. Jamia has its own entrance exam. Like they do it on their own. So the entrance exam as such is like not very different from other entrance exams of like design schools. If you are familiar with the pattern of NID, NIFT, or USEED, you kind of know how to give the entrance exam here also. Um, and basically the syllabus, there is no such syllabus. When I gave the exam, it was like 1.5 hour of aptitude and then 1.5 hour of drawing. So the exam is of 3 whole hours in total. What I would recommend you all to be is practice more drawing, because I think the exam was like 50 marks of logical reasoning and then the rest 50 marks of drawing. And the logical reasoning part was very easy in comparison to the drawing, because drawing takes a lot more time. If you know, you know, like it takes time. You have to do good drawing, like, and practice for NID, from NID and NIFT ka questions. Maybe USEED, but I don't think it is like USEED level aptitude. It is more like NIFT NID level aptitude as such. But I would recommend more to focus on the drawing, because they had like 5 questions of 10 marks each for drawing and the rest 50. Like it was a 50-50, so you have to get like scores both in both of them, right, to get into Jamia. So and Jamia has suggest you guys to focus more on drawing rather than focusing more in aptitude. Like if you are preparing, focus like 60-70% drawing and then 40% aptitude. Application process starts like I think last of Feb or March, and April, like this is like Feb to April is the core time or the core season of exams in general. But like you should keep looking at the Jamia's website, which I'll be linking down in the description below, so you can go and check them out. And it is a pretty simple process in general to fill the program. So now about the fee structure, Jamia has a very good, like I would say you should go or like you should try for Jamia because of their fee structure. Like it is a very affordable, pocket friendly course. Because design schools are known for like being very like for the rich, and like it is very expensive. Yeah, and you should subscribe or like, give us like or share it to your friends, whoever or whoever wants to give the entrance exam or the for design purposes, anything like that. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and all the best to you all, whoever is in this entrance exam seasons. Everything is going to be fine, and yeah, best of luck.